Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Of course, people had a doubt that whether we will continue with W after MOPA becomes a reality. Previously, we spent about 450 crores. Now, demolishing the old arrival and departure, old part of the airport, we are spending another 250 crores. So, totally 700 crores. You mean to say these 700 crores which are being spent and 500 of them have already been spent is for nothing to keep the airport closed? It cannot happen. We are in tune with reality. You will see it happening. Both airports will become an SCT because, as you know, because of naval restrictions, we have seen sometimes when they want certain slots to land at that particular time, those slots are not available because it is also a defense airport. So, those during that particular time, people will be able to go to MOPA. And nowadays, people are going in the morning and coming in the evening. You have seen this new thing happening. It has been happening for quite some time, but there was a slight hindrance because of the restrictions imposed by Navy. With MOPA coming up, that restriction will go. You can go in the morning to any big metro, complete your work and come in the evening. So this is going to be a matter of convenience for people.